She was waiting at the station. He was getting off the train. He didn't have a ticket, so we had to burn through the barriers again. Well, the ticket inspector saw him rushing through. He said, "Girl, you don't know how much I miss you, but we better run, 'cause I haven't got the funds to pay this fine." She said, "Fine." And so they ran out of the station and jumped onto a bus with 2 of yesterday's travel cards and 2 bottles of bud. And he said, "You look nice." She was wearing a skirt and he thought she looked nice, and well, she didn't really care about anything else. She only wanted him to think that she looked nice, and he did. He was looking at her, yeah, all funny in the eye. She said, "Come on boy, tell me what you're thinking now, don't be shy," he said. "Alright, I'll try." And the sky's in the sky, and the leaves in the trees, all the broken bits that make you trip up, and the grassy bits and dreams. All the matter in the world is how much I like you. She said, "What?" He said, "Let me try and explain again. Right, birds can fly so high and they can shit on your head, yeah, they can almost fly into your eye and make you feel so scared. But when you look at them and you see that they're beautiful, that's how I feel about you." Right, birds can fly so high and they can shit on your head, yeah, they can almost fly into your eye and make you feel so scared. But when you look at them and you see that they're beautiful, that's how I feel about you. Yeah, that's how I feel about